A proving ground, training area. A training center is a military installation, a reservation where weapons or other military technology are experimented with or tested, or where military tactics are tested. While these types of facilities are usually military or government establishments, some civilian industries have their own proving grounds for testing prototypes and new technologies. Military and government. Australasia, Australia, Shellwater Bay, Queensland. Europe, Austria, Allensteig, Lower Austria, largest training area in Austria. Bruckneudorf, Lower Austria. Glainik, Carinthia. Grossmittel, Lower Austria. Hochfels and Tyrol. Mauwiesen, Carinthia. Lisem-Walken, Tyrol. Pols, Styria. Seetaler Alpen, Styria. Czech Republic. There are 5 proving grounds in the Czech Republic with a total area of 1,296 square kilometers. Finland. Rovajärvi proving ground near Rovaniemi in Lapland is the largest proving ground in northern Europe. The Artillery Brigade in Niinisalo currently houses the Finnish Ordnance R&D Center. Germany. Bergen-Hohne training area, Lower Saxony. NATO facility, largest training area in Germany. Grafenwöhr, Bavaria, a U.S. facility. Hammelburg, Bavaria. Hammelburg features a complete artificial village for training purposes of the German Army. Hohenfels, Bavaria. Hohenfels training area. Heuberg training area, Baden-Württemberg. Munster training area, Lower Saxony. Sennelage training area, North Rhine-Westphalia, managed by the British Army. Ireland. Glenavermile, an Irish Army artillery, live fire and tactical training area. Italy. Salto di Quirra, an Italian interforces proving ground located in Sardinia that's recently been the object of many controversies. Poland. Drawsko-Pomorskie belongs to the Polish Army and Air Force, and has also been used by NATO since 1996. This facility is internationally known as DPTA, Drawsko-Pomorskie Training Area. It is also an important site of archaeological excavations. Ozrodicz-Kalenia Polygon Owigowosk Ladowechagan in Agan County and Bolstorek County belongs to Polish land forces, also used by NATO. Portugal. Alcaché artillery and air bombing range. Established in 1904, it was managed by the Portuguese Army until 1993 and since then is managed by the Portuguese Air Force. It is the largest closed military facility in Europe. In 2008, it was chosen to be the site of the future New Lisbon International Airport. United Kingdom. Salisbury Plain Training Area, United Kingdom. Stanford Training Area, Norfolk, United Kingdom. 120 square kilometers. Established 1942. Includes an Afghan village. Otterburn Training Area, Northumberland, United Kingdom. Russia. Former Soviet Union. In Russia, a designated area is usually called a polygon. Kapustin Yar aerial weapons. Rocket test range. North Caucasus Military District. Totskoy Range nuclear tests. Test range in the Urals where nuclear tests were carried out in 1954. Yakutia Challenge winter test proving ground in Yakutia, Eastern Siberia. North America. Canada. CFB Suffield, Alberta, training base for Canadian Forces and British Army. Land Force Central Area Training Centre. Meaford, Ontario, tank training area. Canadian Forces Base Wainwright, Alberta, home to Land Force Western Area Training Centre and the Canadian Manoeuvre Training Centre. Land Force Atlantic Area Training Centre, Aldershot, Nova Scotia. United States. In the United States, there are several military facilities that are designated as proving grounds. Aberdeen Proving Ground is a United States Army facility located at Aberdeen, Maryland, and is the Army's oldest active proving ground. Established on October 20, 1917, 6 months after the United States entered World War I, it was created so the design and testing of ordnance material could be carried out in proximity to the nation's industrial and shipping centers at the time. Dugway Proving Ground in an active facility operated by the United States Army Test and Evaluation Command in the Great Salt Lake Desert of Utah. Dugway's mission is to test U.S. and Allied biological and chemical weapon defense systems. Fort Beaver Proving Ground in Fairfax County, Virginia. Pacific Proving Ground is an inactive U.S. Department of Energy area in the Marshall Islands that were established by the U.S. Atomic Energy Commission in 1946 for detonation of nuclear devices for testing weapon design and effects. It mainly consists of Bikini Atoll, Enutak Atoll and AMP, the surrounding area. Deactivated in 1963, Jefferson Proving Ground located in Madison, Indiana, was principally a munitions testing facility of Test and Evaluation Command of the United States Army Materiel Development and Readiness Command. The facility was ordered closed in 1989 as part of the base realignment and closure process. Sandy Hook Proving Ground at Sandy Hook, New Jersey was the nation's first such facility. It was created in 1874 and was used as a proving ground until 1919. Scituate Proving Ground, a former proving ground in Scituate, Massachusetts, operational from 1918 to 1921. Yuma Proving Ground is a United States Army facility situated in southwestern La Paz County and western Yuma County in southwestern Arizona, U.S., approximately 30 miles northeast of the city of Yuma. The proving ground is used for testing military equipment and encompasses 1,307.8 square miles in the Sonoran Desert. Civilian facilities. Automakers Chrysler Corporation. See Chrysler Proving Grounds. Ford Motor Company. See Ford Proving Grounds. General Motors Corporation. See General Motors Proving Grounds. Mazda Motors Corporation. See Mazda Proving Grounds. Nissan Motors. See Nissan Proving Grounds. Porsche Engineering. Nardo Ring. VW Group Aralesian Test Track. Other automotive plus IDIADA Spain. De Automotive Testing Papenburg, Germany.